Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today we have a really simple video. I really wanted to just share a new brand that I have been testing out for my hair for the past 2 weeks or so that I've really been enjoying. And as you can tell from the title of this video, that brand is Mane Club. So as I just said, I've been using this brand for about 2 weeks. I got a bunch of their products. I have not used all of their products yet. You will see some of the things I've shown you are 100% closed. So I still have to use these, but check back on my Instagram if you're interested in seeing how the products that are closed are working. I always test out every product I share with you guys here, even if in this video I haven't completely tested it out. There is a very high chance that if you check on my Instagram because you're interested in knowing about the products I have not tried out, that I've tried them then. So anyways, a reason I wanted to share Mane Club is because it is a very, very, very healthy hair care brand. They have everything from shampoos, conditioners, dry shampoos, deep leave-in conditioners, curling balm, like so many different things. Basically whatever hair need you have, there's a really good chance Mane Club has it. So I am going to show you all of the products I have today, and then I'm going to highlight 2 products, the ones I've been using that I am really loving. So if you are ready to learn a little bit more about Mane Club, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now let's get started. Alright guys, before we truly get started, I just have to give y'all some friendly advice and say don't go bowling with long nails. I know that is so random, but I went bowling the other day. My nails are really long, and look at these bad boys. I broke this one off. I broke this one off. Like, my hands are a hot mess. So if you spot the awful fingers going around in this video, pay no attention to that. I just need to get these off ASAP and haven't yet. So just wanted to address that right off the bat. All right, so the products I have today, I'm going to show all the products I haven't used that I will use, that I'm really excited to use. So the first are these conditioners. They come in these really cute little baggies and they have the funniest names. So the first conditioner is called Cha-Ching. It's a 5-in-1 deep conditioner. So it comes in a little bag like this. A similar one is called Bad Attitude. It's another 5-in-1 deep conditioner. They all do different things. And then the last one's called Crybaby. This one's in a little pink squirt out tube. I love hair products like this where you would probably use this like once every 2 weeks. If you have an oily scalp, honestly, once a month would do the trick. They're cute, they're easy, they're fun, they do the job. Now these obviously I have not used. They're completely sealed. They're a use once only product. But if they're anything like the products I have used from Mane Club, then these are totally worth it. And they're not expensive either. They're only $3 a pack. So that's like a no-brainer. The second group of products that I have not used yet is the Curling Defining Cream. I'm not really sure when I'm going to use this cream, honestly. I just kind of wanted to try a product I'd never tried for my hair before. I don't really have any creams that are specifically meant for curls, but if you naturally have really curly hair, I would look into this product. It comes in a really pretty orange bottle. All of their stuff is really festive. It's really it's a very fun and personality-filled brand, let me tell you. This also only retails for $8, so I think you can tell by the theme of this video, this is very much so a hair care on a budget type brand. The last product I wanted to show you that I have not used is their One Hit Wonder. It's their 10-in-1 leave-in spray. Comes in another really cute bottle. I cannot wait to use this because this actually is supposed to condition, detangle, be a heat protectant spray, prevent breakage, hydrate, smooth, soften, control frizz, boost shine, and straighten. This is supposed to do a lot of things, so I'm really anxious to try this. I just haven't had the opportunity to use this yet. Honestly, the main reason I haven't used half of these is because I've been traveling recently, so I haven't had time to be at home. I just got home yesterday. So I did want to share and talk more about the products I have used because obviously I will be able to let y'all know from experience how I like them. So the 2 products I have been completely loving is their Let's Cheat Dry Shampoo. It comes in this super cute pink bottle, smells fantastic, and it's only $8. Like, this is amazing. This stuff was absolutely fantastic, smells amazing. It's such a good like boost and refresher for your hair if you're in need of some help. So I would highly, highly, highly suggest this. And then my favorite product, even a little bit more than this product, is their Going Viral 3-in-1 Dry Shampoo. This I put through the true test last week. I did not wash my hair for 4 days, which for me, that's a very long time to not clean my hair. This refreshes, volumizes, and adds texture to your hair, which texture is a really important thing to have in your hair to give it that volume and that grit so it doesn't look like it's a couple days old. I think a lot of people overlook how important texture is in a hair. So to have a texture and a dry shampoo kind of combined is a very powerful thing for your hair. This I absolutely loved. My hair looked like it was brand new pretty much on day 4. So it's definitely saving me shower time because I'm not having to, you know, wash my hair every other day like before. So this I could not suggest enough. It's also only $8 again, and it says warning, will cause hair to break the internet. So if that gives you any clue as to how voluminous this actually makes your hair, this works wonders. It works really, really well. And the last thing that I have absolutely loved, because I did take it on my most recent trip with me actually, and whenever I did like a light wave, I used this product. It's called the Wavy Baby, and it's a wave texture spray. So this specifically is meant for hair that has some type of a style to it, whether it's a tight curl or a loose curl. This is meant to hold it, give it structure. It's really lightweight so it doesn't weigh your hair down throughout the day. I was actually in Texas where it's typically pretty humid and hair would have the tendency to kind of go everywhere. This kept my hair in check. So if you do live in a typically humid state, I would definitely check into this. And if you curl your hair a lot or you naturally have curly hair, anything with waves, this is great. This is also only $8 as well. Nothing from this brand is over $10, which is kind of insane. It's very, very low cost and really good quality products. It's such a cute brand. I am so glad I stumbled on this. Their stuff, as you saw from me showing you, are very festive. They have such a cute personality to them. So I would highly suggest, if you're looking for some simple basics that you don't want to spend a lot of money on, you checking this brand out. This video is not sponsored at all. I have no affiliation with this brand. I just wanted to share it with you guys and give my honest thoughts on what I think about these products. And I'm happy to say and report back, it's a great brand. And if you're looking for hair care on a budget, definitely check this out. Unlike a lot of my other videos, I'm either styling my hair or taking my makeup off and reviewing skincare brands. I didn't have to try anything with this brand other than just show them to y'all. So I know this was a super short video, but if you were on the fence of potentially looking into Mane Club, I hope this video helped you, gave you a little bit of clarity. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a comment below or shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle right here. But other than that, I hope you have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.